To add new service, select module. First, you have to add all of your services items. For example, I have already added a few of the services. To create a new service item, click Create New Service Item button. Once all the services items are added, we have to create our service plans. For that, go to Services and add New Service Plan. For example, you can see I have already added some of the service plans. To create a new service plan, click Create New Service button. Now enter the name of the service plan, for example, Detailed Service. Then enter the due mileage. Let's say we need detailed service after every 10,000 kilometers or after 6 months. After that, select the service items. Make sure that service items that you select in detailed service should not repeat in any other service plan. Now click the same button to save the service plan. Here you can view other service plans. Now you can create separate service plans, make-wise and model-wise as well. To get alerts, go to the Alerts module. Here you can see you will get alerts if the vehicle insurance is due, registration is due, vehicle mileage alert and services alert. To renew the insurance, just click the Renew Insurance button and provide the next renewal date and insurance policy number. Same process for registration renewal. If the vehicle mileage is not updated for a month, you get alert here to update the mileage. It is very important to update the mileage because the system will give you service alert based on mileage. If any vehicle is due for service, you will get your service alert here. This vehicle is currently assigned, so there are two options: either you can make a replacement movement or create a custody movement. Let's create a custody movement. For that, go to your mobile application and select side menu. Now select Custody Check-in and scan the QR code. Now update the mileage and fuel level. Select the branch and proceed next. Now check the checklist and proceed next. Now do the inspection for exterior and interior and proceed next. Now take the notes and electronic signatures and finish the process. Now the vehicle is available for workshop movement. Now tap the workshop checkout button and enter the plate number or scan the QR code. Select the driver who is taking the vehicle to the workshop. Select the workshop and select the movement type, maintenance. The service plan will be automatically selected if the service is due. Now you can also add the purchase order from the app if required. Enter the quotation number and edit the rates. Now proceed next and complete the checkout process. In the last, take the signature of the driver and finish the process. Now you can see the due service is gone. To view this workshop movement, go to the Movements module and select the workshop movements, and you will be able to view all these details. Select the custody movements to view the custody movement details. Once the workshop job is completed, we can check in the workshop movement. Now tap the workshop check-in button and enter the plate number or scan the QR code, and system will pull up the data. Now update the mileage and fuel level and select the driver who is taking the vehicle back from the workshop. Now check the checklist and proceed next. Now do the inspection for exterior and interior and proceed next. Now take the notes and electronic signatures and finish the process. Now you can view the workshop movement details in the web application as well. Now you can close the custody movement from the mobile application. Now select custody checkout and scan the QR code. Now update the mileage and fuel level. Select the branch and proceed next. Now check the checklist and proceed next. Now do the inspection for exterior and interior and proceed next. Now take the notes and electronic signatures and finish the process. Now you can view the custody movement details in the web application as well. If you search and view the assignment, you will be able to see all the movement there with along all the details.